Do you ever feel like the world of credit is just too confusing and complicated? Well, have no fear. We've got the ultimate guide to credit repair that's sure to make everything simple and easy to understand. In part 2 of this video series, we describe the steps to take during the credit repair process. In part 3, we're going to tell you all about why credit repair is so important. As I'm sure it's been made clear before, one's credit score is extremely important for their financial well-being and future. Today, I'm going to break down exactly why it's so crucial for maintaining your financial health. Let's start with the basics. Your credit score is a numeric representation of your creditworthiness. It's a number between 300 and 850 and is determined by factors such as payment history, amounts owed, and length of credit history. A higher credit score means you're more likely to be approved for credit and loans, and at better interest rates. But why is this important for first-time homebuyers? Well, when you apply for a mortgage, lenders will look at your credit score to determine if you can be relied on to repay your loan. A high credit score can mean lower interest rates, which means you will pay less to borrow the money. But here's the catch. Sometimes credit reports can contain errors or inaccuracies that can bring down your credit score. This is where credit repair comes in. By working to remove these errors and improve your credit score, you can be in a better position to secure a mortgage for your first home. Now, we know that credit repair may seem daunting, but here's the good news. You don't have to do it alone. Our team at Nuecred specializes in credit repair for first-time homebuyers. We work with you to analyze your credit report, identify errors and inaccuracies, and develop a customized plan to improve your credit score. We believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to achieve their dreams, and owning your own home is no exception. Let us help you get there by ensuring your credit is in the best possible shape. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about our services, please visit our website at nuecred.com.